Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long wait. We're here at Montetjie Golf Course. And yeah, let's go.
Today we're gonna play better ball stroke play, so let's get into the video.
Okay guys, here on the first hole, 372 meters, and gonna play it light because I'm a bit stiff, so yeah, let's go. Go! How do you feel about that one?
Nah, it's good, it's fine.
Okay guys, nice drive here by me, just in the middle. Maybe like 100 meters to go, so I'm gonna hit a smooth gap wedge. Settle a bit. Settle. Sit.
On the green. Oh, what
Come
a
on.
shot, boy.
Come on.
We've got Rory here.
Ooh.
Okay, guys, it wasn't a bad shot, but now the real problem comes with my chipping. So let's not hope to tough this one. Oh, not too bad. Come on, let's go.
What a shot, boy. Okay, guys. Hinku is in for par. So let's see. I'm gonna give this one a run for birds. It's gonna come a bit from the right, not as much as you think, but yeah, we're gonna give this one a run. See if we can make the birdie. Settle. Yeah, it's fine. Hinku. Come on. What a par.
Par. Okay.
Okay, guys. Hole 2 here, par 3. The pin is a bit tucked behind this tree, so gonna try to play a baby fade around this tree and hopefully get it close. It's maybe on the left side of the green, but pushed it a bit.
Okay, guys, Zak is just a bit left, so let's try to put this one close. Ah, no, I'm just right. Yes, it's not a lot of rocks.
Shot from there.
Go.
Okay, guys. We're a bit short-sighted here, not much green to work with. But I'm gonna try to put it a bit higher, just to, or maybe no, I'm gonna let it just bounce before the green and roll up there. Sit. Sit.
Oh,
Ooh, bit long. Okay, guys, this is a sort of a slider, right to left. So just gonna get the space right. No, it will go in, I think. So yeah, let's go. Turn. Ooh. Come on. Ah, not a great bogey. So Inku needs to save us here. Come on, Inku.
You guys, it's a pretty long putt for me. My putting is not the best, but
Come on! Come on!
my name is Rory McIlroy. Let's go on to the next one.
Okay, guys, what a par save there by Inku. We're here on hole 3. As you can see, it goes straight to the left. Well, I'm gonna go straight with the hybrid and play it safe. We don't talk about that shots, guys.
Okay, guys, Zak kicked an up and under for the fullback,
Okay.
but this one just straight with a 4-iron.
Shot, my guy.
Let's go. Look at that pro with the rangefinder. What is the guy doing? I see you a pro now with a rangefinder.
You see, man. I can't see
Sure.
that far, guy.
There-
Okay, guys. Yeah, didn't go that far. Look, where's the tee box? It's probably like 50 meters, but okay, it's 136 to the pin. The pin is behind all these trees, so gonna hit the 8-iron. Try to cut it close, but yeah, this is gonna be hard. Cut ball. Ah,
Straight through the gap.
yeah, sit.
Oh no, in the bush at the other side.
Oh no, we'll find it.
Come on, what's going on?
I don't know, man.
Okay, guys. So this tree is not at a very good spot, so I'm gonna hit an 8-iron. Try to go underneath. So let's see if I can do it. Just short. Okay, guys. But let's just try to put it somewhere on the green. Set. Just needed some backspin.
Come on,
I need a
man.
coach. I need a coach to teach me some backspin.
Okay, guys. Yeah, bit long here. Nice bunker in front of me. So I need to play it a bit high, but I'm not laying very great. So any place on the green will be fine here.
Just not in the bunker, Zak.
Set.
Oh,
Oh
no.
no, that's too hard. Why do I hit it so hard, man?
Almost.
Okay, guys, as you can see, I went long here. Hit it clean, but just too hard. So, gonna try to do something here. Close for the bogey. Yeah, let's go. Settle. 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 Just caught the downslope there. Ah, it's fine.
Okay guys, this is for par.
Oh,
Ah, come on.
it's fine.
Okay guys, we're on hole 4, par 5, 452 meters. So I try to make a birdie or something on this hole.
Shot.
Yeah, nice shot there.
Okay, guys, Henku is in the middle. What a drive there. So gonna get this one out. See what we can do. God, ball. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, guys. Nice drive. I will take it. Bit of tree trouble here in front of me. So I'm gonna try to keep it low under this tree, back foot with the 5-iron just to get it out. But yeah, let's see what we can do here. Finish low on that one. Oh no.
A little
Topped it.
bump and run.
I will take it. I topped it, but I will take it.
Not a bad shot.
No.
Okay guys, I'm about 190 from the pin. So it's about, I'm gonna try to play 180 with the wind from behind. So let's try to put this one just close. Ah, it fades a bit to the right. Yeah, it's not too bad.
Okay, guys. What a top here into the fairway. Um, maybe 140, 138 to the pin or to the green. Just gonna play a smooth 8-iron.
Oh yes, what a shot. Oh, just over.
Ah, it's fine. I will take
That's
it.
a good shot, boy.
Made contact. Okay, guys. Inco had a nice second shot here. So this one is for the third shot. Coming in about 50 meters. Go down. Go down. Yeah. Great shot there by Inco. Nice putt here for birdie. Okay, guys. This is not the easy shot. It's wet. Not much green to work with, and it's down slope. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do here, but I think I'm gonna land it just short of this hill. Let it go down. See. There was a rock. I hit the rock before I hit the ball. Look at this, man. What the flip, man. Nah. Okay, guys. Yeah. What a trip. This is a slide right to left. It's gonna be not that fast, but yeah. Yeah. That. Oh. Hit it through the line, man. It's fine. Tap this one in.
Par.
Yep. No. Boat.
Come on. Okay guys, I'm going for birdie now. So let's just play it safe and maybe get a par. Oh, almost
was
a
close.
birdie.
That was close.
Almost got the birdie, Bo.
Yes, boy. Okay, guys. Hole 5 here, par 3, 172 meters. I'm gonna hit the 5-iron. Playing the cut. Yeah, straightforward shot, as you can see. So let's get it on, boys. Cut ball. Cut. Two.
Short.
Very short.
Yeah.
Bit of the
Alright.
toe, maybe.
Okay, guys. Zach is just a bit short with the 5-iron. I'm also hitting a 5-iron, so let's see if I can put it close. Oh no! Okay, guys, not a very good shot from there, but yeah, it's not a bad shot from here. So let's just try to put it on the green and then just maybe put it in for par. Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. Okay, guys, Zach's second shot. He's going for birdie now. Hopefully, he can put it close so that we can get a par. So let's see what he can do. Yeah, sit. Sit, sit, sit. Okay, guys, going for par now. It's a very long putt uphill. So, yeah. Yeah, almost.
Come on.
Yeah, that's the bogey.
Okay, Inko's in for the bogey. Yeah, I need to go for this for par. So yeah, let's see. Turn. Way too hard.
Come on, man.
I'll tap. I'll tap. I'll tap.
A tap.
Yeah.
Let's see the tap.
No look. No look. Boom!
Ah. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're on hole 6. It's 290 meters, a par 4. So let's just hopefully try to make the par, not the bogey again. So yeah.
Okay, guys. Inko is a bit to the right. So let's get this one in play. There's a river just before the green, so a small channel river thingy. So let's just over that or just before that.
Oh, look at that club throw.
Vamos, man.
Okay, guys, I'm 100 meters from the pin. I'm taking my pitching wedge. Not a very good liar, but hopefully we can do something. Oh yes,
What a shot.
it's on.
What a shot, boy.
Let's go, let's go.
Post.
I think we should go for some live golf.
Okay, guys. In the middle, about 40, 43 meters to the pin. I'm gonna play a punty shot just to get it there. Let's go, boys. Settle, settle, settle. Oh no. What am I doing today?
Too much muscles there in that Holmes. Okay, guys. Zak is in a bit of a difficult spot here.
Watch me make this one. Watch me make
Par.
this one. No, for birds, guys.
Oh no!
Gonna
I
chip
was
this one
bad.
in.
Hey guys, this guy says he's gonna make birdie from there, so he needs to put it in now. So let's see what he can do. And oh,
Go!
not too bad.
Guys, hit that one a bit fat. So ended up short. This one is not gonna turn as much. So I'm gonna go a bit straighter on this. So, see. Sit.
Oh,
Why do I hit it so hard, man? Wait. Gonna tap it again, guys.
no,
No
look.
look. No look. Come this side. Better angle, guys. No look. Wag, ons doen hom weer. Ons doen.
You guys, I think it's gonna go a bit from right to left. So yeah. Oh, that's too much. What am I doing?
Ah. Do the no looker.
No. Let's get the spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great par, boy.
Ah.
Okay, guys. Nice par there by Henku. I'm not playing that great today. It's hole 7 here, stroke 1. 357. As you can see, it's a road to your left, so you want to play it right. So I'm gonna put a safe one out here. It's gonna be a safe swing, this one. Got a bit more. Yeah, it will be fine there.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Nope.
You guys, I think Zak is just behind that tree. So yeah. Okay guys, it wasn't a very good drive, but at least it's something. So let's just try to put this one up there somewhere. Go. It's not the best shot, but it's something.
Okay, guys. But it's a nice drive. I will take this any day. Bit of tree trouble here, but yeah. Gonna try to play a pitching wedge with a slight draw. Hopefully it doesn't go into the road, but yeah, let's go.
Oh,
Oi.
just lift.
Didn't draw, man. Went straight.
Okay, guys, going for birdie now. So hopefully just a par. Otherwise, yeah, let's try to get it on the green. To the left. Set.
Pulled it a bit. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's just end up left of the green pin. I was a nice shot, so let's try to put this one close and get this for par. Yeah.
Oh, what a chip.
Woo. Come on.
I need Bryson for this guy.
Okay, guys. This one is a bit right to left. This one is for par save here, so put this one in. Come
Let's
on.
go.
Tap that one. No look. No look. Oh no. Okay, guys. Beautiful hole 8 here at Montague Golf Course. It's a dog leg left. Hole 8 here, par 4. So you see those 3 trees in the distance there. That is my aiming point. So keep it on that with a little bit of a fade. Yeah, let's go. It's fine there, guys. Go. Go.
Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on with my driver now, but we're about 140 meters from the pin, taking my 7 iron. So let's just try to put it up there. Pull it.
Okay, guys, what a bomb of a drive here. Just in the right side of the fairway, nice. I played it like that, guys, just to this pin location. So it's a nice pin location for this angle. So it's about 60, 58, 60 meters. Let's get it up there, man. Go.
Oh,
Short.
just short.
Didn't hit it.
Come on, my guy.
Practice shot, yeah, practice. Henko here with a nice speed shot coming up. Shit. Oh, shit.
Zach, this hole is on you.
Why do you want to kill me, man? Okay, guys. Henko picked up this ball. So this is on me. This one is for birdie. Just to get it up there, man. Tight. Tap in pass. Let's go.
Oh, what a chip.
Take that. Gooi maar. Okay, guys. This one for par. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Thank you, guys.
Okay, guys, we're on the last hole, hole 9. It's a par 5, 402 meters. So hopefully can make a birdie, or otherwise just par there. Hopefully I can just hit my driver.
Shanko. Woohoo!
So,
Can I tell you something? Let me tell you something. That was in the air, my guy. Okay, guys. Henko is in play. So he freed me up for this last hole. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for this shot. Put a bit of effort into it. Nope. Pulled it. Go.
okay guys, I'm about 180 meters from the pin taking my 5-iron. So hopefully I can just put it straight, play it straight. So yeah. A bit short.
Okay, guys. Ended up here in the. So I'm just gonna try to hit a 7-iron into the hole 9's fairway. So let's go. Okay, guys. Here was the third shot into this par 5. Just under the 100 meters. So I'm gonna hit a gap wedge to get it up there. It's on. Take that.
Not bad.
Just pushed it a bit, man.
Yeah. Okay guys, I'm about 52 meters from the pin. I'm just gonna take my 60 to get up there. Oh, way too short.
It's fine.
Okay guys, hopefully we can just get it on the green. Oh, too soft.
Yeah, it's fine.
Go.
Okay, guys. This one is for birdie. So just off the green here. Pin high, but see we can just get the pace right here. Turn. Oh, I will take that.
So close.
I'll tap. I'll tap.
Put it in for the par fast.
No looker?
Yes, let me see.
Vamos. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. We hope you like it. We finished 2 over. Not the best golf.
No.
But yeah, it is vacation now for us, so plenty more videos to come. See you in the next one.